Looking for a new music streaming app to try? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Amazon Music app. Now let's get started. You can download Amazon Music for free from the App Store on your iPhone or Android device. Amazon Music can be used completely for free. You'll just have to listen to ads every so often with the free version. If you have Amazon Prime, you can listen to Amazon Music ad-free. With the Amazon Unlimited subscription, you can listen in HD quality and also listen to music and podcasts offline. Once you've installed the Amazon Music app, you can sign in to your Amazon account. Enter your email address and password you use for Amazon. You'll now be taken to the Amazon Music homepage. Here you'll find recommended playlists, music that's featured this week, popular albums this week, popular podcasts, and more. If you tap Find in the bottom menu, you can search for a specific song, artist, album, playlist, or podcast. You can also browse music by genre, check out trending charts and new releases, music by mood, or browse podcasts by category such as top popular series, comedy, true crime, and more. Tap a category you'd like to explore to see what music or podcasts fall under that category. You can then tap a playlist or album to see the songs within it. Tap the play icon at the top of a playlist or album to begin listening to it, or tap a specific song to start streaming. A window will then pop up with the album art for the song as well as playback controls. You can pause, play, skip to the next song, or go back to the previous song. Tap the heart icon to add this track to your liked songs. If you tap the three dots at the bottom, you can access additional controls including repeat and shuffle mode. You can also add the song to your music library. If you tap lyrics, you can see the lyrics for the song. Tap X-ray to see information about the song or the artist. To make things easier, you can also use Amazon's voice assistant Alexa to control the Amazon Music app. You can say Alexa followed by a command like pause or play, or even ask Alexa to play a specific song or playlist for you. If you tap Library in the bottom menu, you'll be taken to your music library. Here you'll find your favorite music and podcasts. In the music section, you'll find playlists made for you based on your listening activity, as well as your liked playlists, songs, artists, and albums. If you tap Alexa in the bottom menu, the Alexa voice assistant will be activated. You can then say any command to get help playing music or podcasts. If you tap Upgrade, you'll see options to upgrade your Amazon Music membership either with Prime or to Amazon Music Unlimited. That does it for our beginner's guide to Amazon Music. For more helpful Amazon tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Amazon tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.